Hello, Keisha. It is such an honor to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Shani. I'm happy to be here.
Thank you, Keisha. May I ask, do you know why you're here today?
Yes, Shani. I'm here today to teach all of you and the people watching this video, educating you guys about drugs.
Okay, Keisha, what is drugs? To the people that don't know.
Okay. So drugs are usually known as a being bad, but not all drugs are bad. A lot are good drugs, but let's not focus on that. Let's focus on what the bad drugs are going to do to your body or side effects.
So, Keisha, what are the side effects of these bad drugs that our people of our country are using?
There are a lot of side drugs effects using bad drugs, for example, losing memory, hair loss, dizziness, redness eyes, and many more.
But why though? They know all of these side effects and still use them.
Some people have a hard time in life. They feel crushed by the pressure of life. Because of those, feel they want to experience the feeling of joy, happiness, and what it feels like to live again. That's they use drugs to relieve stress, to feel good, or just by being popular. And they're being influenced by their so-called friends.
All people use drugs either for being popular or influenced by others.
Yes,
But how can we stop this or prevent this from happening? And how can we even avoid these drugs?
good question, Miss Shani. Although we can prevent it or stop this from happening because of all the people that smuggle drugs to the country, we can lessen or even stop people from using drugs by teaching them what are the side effects of drugs by programs and events.
Thank you for sharing with us, Captain Kisha. We appreciate you for teaching us the fundamental learning to know that effect and ways to prevent from people using drugs.